Let's take a look at our 7 meals. Our first option is bread with avocado, tomatoes, and eggs. You can pair that with a juice of your choice or chocolate milk. Milk's going to go bad without a power source, so it's important that you have some powdered milk on hand. This was made with powdered milk and Nestle Quick Mix. The juice, this juice here, is Tang. So you can have that because juice may also go bad after a few days. And it was an unopened container of juice. You'll have to use that up first because as it's opened, it should be refrigerated. So use those first. Our second option would be cereal. And again, your milk is going to go bad. So take some powdered milk, mix it up, add a little sugar and a little vanilla to it, and then pour it on your cereal and top with fruit if you want. Oops. Third option is chia seed pudding with fruit on top. You can make this up with powdered milk and then put your berries and everything on it the next day. Doesn't require refrigeration for a little bit. So I would eat it up, make it that night before and then eat it up the next morning. Option 4, Pop-Tarts and your choice of beverage. The #1 selling Pop-Tart during a hurricane is strawberry. So maybe you want to stock up on strawberry if that's a family favorite. Next option we have is a peanut butter sandwich. I made mine with sliced apples because we don't keep jam on hand. So you've got peanut butter sandwich, you put anything you want on it, bananas, jam, and your choice of drink options. Next is high fiber muffins. You can buy muffins before the storm or you can make them. I made these ahead of time using a recipe on the back of the Fiber One box. So they're high in fiber and they'll keep you full until it's time for snacks or lunch. And our last option is overnight oats paired with fruit. So you can make up the overnight oats. You can just mix it with water or water and some powdered milk and a little bit of vanilla, some sugar. Let it set overnight. Then eat it in the morning. Those are your 7 no heat source breakfast options. But do know that if you want the boiled eggs, you better do those before the power goes out. If you want to make muffins, you need to do that before the power goes out. So, thanks for hanging with me to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to take a look at no heat source lunches.